Hi, GC News. Bima Bawumia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news. Mkwa enamide Bremo. Anuti so we subscribe ya. Bomodi say we subscribe to their channel. Gawe answer we click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification. Where is our DVD? We be upload. When the first person I will sabe kan video. Afriyie na like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my for na we be here na wo someone eposo e wo Ghana me mo hano Afriyie bura ye someone abeto ye pono so eye isi hu sensem ya voter register ya NDC for se be ya ye nye forensic audit hu sem bebre NPP for so se isi grantees NPP NDC for request dia no so be the vote tinti eno ye na no eye one general secretary eye Justin Frimpong Koduah edibetu bia ye sem bebre. Na we dey abranche back wa friend Ivan Che innocent odo de na no atumu ache se wo tutu bi mane ye NPP for ni isi mu nyina ni sansen ya maintain ho ase NDC for se yehu illegal transfers ni ade ebe ya ye nye forensic audit na ache se bibia mu na ho fine na obi ante ho ase NPP for emini akotukum che se wanti ase se isi granted ye NDC for requested the no almost so be demonstration but almost so errors be near there voter register about to occur the Koto by 2024 December and na yense bebe I ba dey ense bebe to Gyamfi na yenkuti nsema wode to Gyamfi yes answer good now yeti no
o platform ways na make sure say this version of NPP and edu on my so sometimes you wonder say a damn na tiasimo say there na womo. Sometimes you can't even comprehend. One thing it looks as if say anytime bia adie be free ma bia no a beg for a lot of questions and answers. You don't even get it.
A beg for it.
Alaska. You see, you go into 2024 elections. But culture the stakes are quite high. The critical stakeholders, NDC can home, NPP can home, independent candidate can home. Civil society organizations can home. Ghana for yansu ya to why I say yansu ya can be because my country say we all have a stake in what is happening. And this at some point say obi raise concerns about the credibility of the electoral register. Now say concerns na always a premise on fact, not conjecture. Me can say asem na wo kan nyese bia wa bo team na wo kan na mom there are evidence I would me pointed to actually say indeed. Adia Kwaku Annan mienu we ya akoso yi give me reasons ama mim to me believe the register.
Okay.
So it's not as if say wild imagination be no be here because for instance enye no krese yakofa DVD machines. No kre.
That's right.
Enye no krese multiple transfer akoso abra nipa na ya transfer omo kro mo nya we. Enye no krese yesi pusiga obidi electoral commission officer ne log-ins ewura isinum a transfer amount for vote. Is it not true? Sir President Akufo Addo appointed obi a oye MPP ni a Dr. Apiahene Edna Kotra Electoral Commissioner or IT department. Sir Abrante yesi akofa no as a consultant. Is he not a relative of President Akufo Addo?
That's right.
Electoral Commission IT ni consultant no. Alaska, we are talking about an institution and Nedumane say or ye referee. I'm making sure say elections will be credible. Among for Bajiatum. Na Yajetuma, send this in a luso, send people in a luso. I don't know, Obajiatum now, no supporters, Mokusu Modem, and they are wasem. But if you give people reason to believe, said the malfeasances are air cross within enough, na amount for entrust here. The best thing that you can do as a sensible commission and even other stakeholders say, okay, sabe ya memenya me victory. Obi mekanche me say ekosisiri we na ekoye ese na da bia nchenwa and as a victory no benya na bia kura wunya asase abetena so dis victory no. Go eja to kroma ifa na okodi sa victory no. And it is incumbent upon you say nyina as stakeholders you making sure say whatever been the source of this whole hula baloo ya address it and the address you say yeah audit the register because catch me say electoral commission say or cleaning register na me a stakeholder I will not trust you because electoral commission na log in keys na access na obinya e no di wuram.
That's right.
Akoye changes here this multiple transfer and do catch me say okoye Sadly, man, do you think people will trust you?
Who now committed that mistake?
Yes.
Who now see Njama on na
And again, Oko IT department, nipa no mo honi nyina are party exposed individuals.
That's right.
Am for ni mo. Even the electoral commission na mu ankasa. Macho man, also obi anu baby ofiri ba. Mensah ne deputy. Na Mensah na kra niam wada na di. But me, you can just let those things go. But my catcher said the sanctity and the credibility of the election no aye questionable. Ebe man for enya trust ewom. Na Alaska violence yes Africa ha nyina ye because amanfo be free say electoral commission na ban do sisiri no
exactly
so say impression na build the upper Gyamfi say electoral commission so onisika or the buy auditing na say for the international organization more ready
so they will give you
the money they are ready to do the audit for you say be ya and as Uncle you more call for that no interest in the saying because they don't want any basa e bia say be see o man mu
Amo investment wa ha
because the investment in America American investment e okroma say energy sector no mining na se for no ni na companies in fan e free ba oil exploration na se for companies in free fan and they own critical assets in this country and if Ghana goes into flames omono and other countries no cry interest wa ha do so chen ya ankasa ya wa say so if these foreigners crowd free say okay so ade we dey chinje ni na se for e ba Alaska Tinton time, yenye audit, no, because if you have nothing to hide, you audit our problem. Saying, and that is the same call. Your friend saying, "Nyahota now okay." Now the way every sensible, reasonable person, when you look at some of these things that men in the past say, "I dare say, 2.3, yanko we are BVD machines." Na anya say, "Yeah, multiple transfers. I bring the panel nya away." Na say NDC because say yenye auditor. May I will be the first person me bought wogu. Come make say who here. Because the obetime contest has to do with appointment. Why? By nipa na asem na waka no, there are facts that transfer across the voter region. Why?
Most more accept what
and it's a atimi si am wa correct kra na what is the guarantee say ensansi biem and how widespread so be can say same way now we other political party now in China by a press conference say electoral commission crab budgetuma then it means I don't know cause no favor and I make as a common sense enya adwuma 2.3 akwa we minim how am koto abaye ni je say kasa kronte kasa ho to say asiama ya because we a politician and we a leader you know when to speak what to say at what point in time. Oh no, what you wanna what is happening. Say audit no cause of fire and cause issues in the but the very moment I'll buy a press conference, I can say register near credible no. Na say electoral commission jitum no or auditor also by a demonstration. It means that the current state of the register no
exactly.
You don't do that. That's what I'm wondering. Say some panifo omo yam crowd no mo benyina be yam panifo but still nyansa ife ni nyansa na common sense. Akra keto akra tin chan ya ohu say ade we yenye. That is what they are doing. Sometimes I'm so shocked. Kon nsam ni bi wo ha anya ni nyina na yeka. We are seasoned politicians. There are events you observe. There are events you speak.
That's right.
There are events you know what to say, what not to say, and near man no crowd silently no go in your favor. Without one of all do arms. I'm quite a favor. But when you come out from yourselves like this, you make people suspicious. So the current state of the register, no electoral commission, no, I will be a favor. Oh, Alaska, yeah, Kromu deceive you. Penny be an Imyansano. It's a lie. I'm telling you. Na so we go school, we classmate no more Jimmy. Na so we I want to say. That we 40 years. And how can you convince me say panyin bia nanim nyansa? It's not true. It is about niema na de odo abrabo be ye.
That's right.
Ebia people don't appreciate their Ghana name enei. Alaska, I am telling you, said the stakes are very high going into 2020.
Seriously?
That is why I'm for say a second independence. Come me. Whatever it takes, Akufo Addo will get out of power. That is what I'm looking out for. So that they will be put on the knife. Now you handle or more. Make sure, say, they hold them accountable. Every single crime be a committee no, you'll be held accountable, including a software no mudi any more mokoye sa cathedral we ya. Adan amanada ho and raf no more. Ye pese ye ni yisu no as handkerchief. Na ye de papa e shame. We cannot, and we need to stop that. And I think Sasanya money ye didi agro o Ghana de omanya ye pepis baby akwako do no Ghana for twam is ye pepis no.
That's right.
The last time I sat here and I told you say peace obe negotiating no on the premise of injustice no it's war in postponement.
Exactly.
Ontokwa na okon na watu
asheda.
Yes.
I say abrowe na de abrowe
yes, because people will pretend they know it's okay. That is why these institutions now be very hypocritical, like Peace Council and as a former. Among political parties say on missing peace park and my catcher say if you are negotiating for peace, you need to build it on the premise justice be prevailing. You are going to elections and you kunipa. Hwendema electoral commissions electoral commission kasa je Mensah no nkro for babonte ombeka na no yete da kurase ni bi be press conference say 2016 register no na enuane amogum na no kra de to aba.
So no director of elections as at that time.
Yes, that bush mind is still on the commission working as an electoral commissioner. Baba kasa kurase say we de kire Ghana for fan who di Alaska besin ne what was obi holding no accountable.
No.
Kwa asem na oka no taking a lot from the electoral commission to the people are addressing
That's right.
But what fun so when you have an institution like this and they can hold on to a certain unfettered authority, a certain unfettered power, we can just do anything and get away. It's the reason why they don't see themselves accountable to the people they are working for.
The 2016 and more any miracle to Aba.
Now Alaska state institution like electoral commission we are referee. Sakasa we nefi wonumba. Yem sakasa we in public. Go to office. Now mubufua. Mo ankasa you can have such a conversation. Obi be record secretly na eba abonte o. E no kra de wo private chamber bi na wo kan obi record na aba abonte. But where there wo ye press conference. Aka kira Ghana for said na emoa ni nuagu electoral commission no kra na man fan complain. Such a kasa yenka for electoral commission but we can't find who di and the niema we nyina kwaso na say obi agitate a Alaska na me even agitation na kwaso no they say NDC dia chawo
NDC
oh yes they should take it to a different level
almost
because Alaska elections no you see ukotena ho no obi ko sisiriwa enye o chana na me de sisiri mi o na me we support akra no be catch us sisiriwa sa nipa ro baka sisiriwa say ya bo because na then we da bia na call election ACC.
That's right.
Da bia call election ACC. Alaska, this is the time all near me wo hu nyina you need to address to make sure that if you are going into election and you are losing on fair grounds.
Okay.
And you have nothing to hold on to. What lose, then you know sir you need what you need to do to come back again. But where you know sir near man and nipa no ye no what demonstrate ya de bia say obesisi Obey you so near mano, I didn't see one time at the elections now for at this time. The Ghana 9 win. Me say Ghana cannot afford another 4 years of Akufo Addo or your friend saying Bawumia because Akufo Addo Nankasa is a fraud theory.
It's
a fraud theory Ankasa.
And such obvious
Bawumia. I scholar from that fraud institution, you know, and ordinary ba. Now let's go two corner artists me you know. And on my dying Ghana Butu in the last 8 years. Shall be a Ghana Jina in there. Ghana, I know we him in the past, and no Ghana near. Abusian for Mahama AC Yafetamina 3. What in someone else so Kruma?
That's right.
Akufo Addo be your president when you had the courage, Aqua store, duty free, their man ba. Creative arts born, no time the ban or the NATO so. Accra Sports Stadium renovation. No wafasiye na wadi amano we renovating in 2019 we renovating in 2020 we renovating in 2021 we renovating in 2022 2023 the super aka ho adwuma no so omo nye na waje ni sika
but you say enyahin boxside we need there enya se wo se Ibrahim Mahama ABD no nya
na some point is that Mahama ni nua no kwati gatam kra no hu ade amode ye no kro ma sei Alaska enti sa niema wo ya akoso no Ghana fo afese now because of tribalism, the partisan way into na amanfo ni afra no munhu niema bi no. Say sa niema ni nyina tie afra amanfo ani so. They can see through what is happening.
Right.
And the Ghana for want to be given the power to determine who becomes president. The next elections na ye kono. And just say obi be stop you obi a. Ma Ghana for stop you mo. say Ghana for koto aba no say oh ye de ye wo mi Bawumia na ye pe na Alaska who ni hwe ka Ghana for na kasa omukọ na say asumasu no mo pe na is the same thing, but you as an institution don't sit there and think say in your twisted mind, you know, because somebody has given you a job, you know, you want to pay back that person by making sure that you maneuver everything to bend the legitimate will of the people. That is never going to work.
Alaska, you see, Indra Justin Koduah, press conference,
That's right.
or exposing a big time, or exposing NPP big time, say all along in some NDC here can say NPP, and then is they are in bed no, and driver out. And here one, two, 2.3 argument that they be and say NPP need campaign message be to the sense say the campaign message and bano Ghana for beto bomo no be kan and then adjusting and ra no kan wasem no abim say kwen bia so a say Mensah ebo no mu wini no and then say Mensah ne but you see the only format on be use here format Tinubu use on Nigeria di win here.
Okay.
And no de bagana. Obeko the day of voting no obeko na udin any
register him.
On be ye bibi kra boawa. On be tumi rectify so mistake no udin akopie kaswa. On be direct ho no. Na obenya akukudro efitema akokaswa se okoto aba. That is the best on between me aye. And before they would think NDC we've thought.
Okay.
Time in Nigeria for Asia plans ne no. Na so eagle eye ediomechi.
Oh really?
Ediomechi. Nchomo game plan di enim. Ti Sammy ugu kwatena asese NPP yenye dede ye wo ye strategy ebe yuso no. Eye winsema krono na sombe reggae and Jane ye winipe oso kwaje wa home ye bepe obi foforo boss my baby take place oso sika wenya oso kwa enjoy to the sense say Jane Mensah easy boss ni crew da on that.
Okay.
Because in some ni crew tete any cases are e family no so no and ono being the head of the family no cases na no so. The only person who me confiding in him to advise him out of frustration. Sabi when yan be advising the hero or consulting ya onya utemaklo. Now utemaklo catch and say just tell your wife to do the right thing. Asa, that's the only advice. But you see, Ghana na ye won yen penny for ni bi no. Omo no me yen problem.
Yen penny for ni bi ne yen problem.
Akoto FM
say ye found say oh ye council of elder. Una o ye council. And our council states no.
News on YouTube. Hot
That means who crampo there.
You are watching Juicy
The
News
other kind of
on
crown
YouTube.
and the
Hot
asundue
news all
beba.
time.
Akoto FM
But say
2.3
president no di Mensah ba. And this is that's how Mensah we NPP member. Yeah, the pictures about we say NPP ntade. Okay, we dey anyahwe. Wakofa bossman as u deputy. Obi anim ejuma bossman yema NPP. Our Legon. Anyahwe. Ye janwa ma fe de ukofa IT person obi anim say oye NPP. Ne ya maun petition say impanyifo yi anamo a president need to know. Enye odi chichembe ba
2.3
Inti yase mo ne opinion kasa. Mo na mo cancel no. Mo na nyasa ewo mutim. Mo no mine kra mo. Anya Mensah na de ejani tumo. Because ye won panyifo a omo advice.
I'm na to penny.
Yes. Say your friend say appear him.
That's right.
Or ye Ghanani. Or ye Ghanani. He said somebody apply common sense say apply common sense say there be a basa trust emba easy no a basa na perception e wo ho no e beba out say e real Enesaba. Na otumfo so na no make am asa otumfo sa asam kan dia menene enya adwen.
I said then.
Say Ghana for trust easy. You see that trust no. Me na me feel so back the other way around say nindi ye no onye no me be ma Ghana for trust.
Na so otumfo na danfo ni nanado. O say nanado wo Ghana Oboku Annan ho na oba wo.
Inti no Alaska sa press conference yi.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Insa miensa. Ena General Secretary ne kan.
Okay.
Or say dead people on the list. NDC yang fa anye yen case.
That's right.
The air can say momo ya mo de buy no data na mo de buy no omo mewu no ye identify about 500,000 timuhwe ni ye.
Okay.
So it was just advice. Momo de na mo de buy ni ye hu de do so since ah.
92.3.
2 ye case ne say absentee list no ya transfer nkofo afi constituency akọ baby foforo no omuni mo hwe ana transfers na nkofo ade aba constituencies no ye bloti
2.3.
it me ka me fie na me de example ye Tema West.
Okay.
Na no be ka wa 2023 transfers ya eba the district assembly elections. It was around 900. Now we exercise it was around 1,900. It's provisional register by so ukabom.
That's right.
It's advance 2,000 something, right? Eba 5,000 and something.
Eba 5,000.
It's 3,000.
92.3.
If you never count absentee list no almost 5,000. Yes, go find every time I was somewhere you vote if you know.
You are watching
Tema
GC
West.
News on YouTube.
92.3.
Hot news all
It will be
the
fear
time.
some America.
You are watching
Enti
GC News on
mo
YouTube.
manya test na mun chire mu
Hot
say.
news all
what
the
I
time.
tell you?
We say that be.
But say Debbie, Tema West 3,000 America on transfer votes no.
Obi any baby omufi.
Obi any baby omufi. And absentee list no so 4,000. Can you imagine?
So meaning you are deleting the power 4,000 if you register.
So I tell you. And mene page for atase. Omo boedwuma jo na ni team. Omo boedwuma na me say look, mo betumi akọ deep. Ehun saying din no. If they are coming from the periphery our stronghold.
Okay.
It's a juma mo ye no. Aye gusu aye. I get it the whole thing.
Right.
It's no. Asama ye di to Jan. Legitimate.
Akoto
Osi o no kre.
3.
The district EC boss. Osi no kro no so hu. It's no on by correction. And yes okay. Mo ye be see the hu say my ye.
92.3.
The only thing I'm mobile ye be hu ni so. Ya sisa no new register ni because we don't trust you. Yes, busy na wie. Okwa correction no then time. Na e beto aba no ye sabana repeated a year. Ye trust you because mama ye hu say mu game plan no. Any Nigeria just in code the by tuja no.
Na just
say mo ya mo jitum na mo brand no ase na mo ye corrections na ye so ye be kwa demonstrate.
Akoto FM
Alaska
2.3.
Yes Kwaku menu.
Mo jitum say mistakes na mo ma jitum say mo hu na say mo correct no. NDC aka no my demonstration ti say mo so mo frɛ say yenya audit na yen correct na register na enya clean na yes you be kwa demonstrate.
So in this case not just the electoral commission abma woma ya west womu nyed ne enyo chena.
Debi enya say electoral commission o ma ji atum mo mienu no agreement
NPP for no
any electoral commission omu behavior na de omu ye o ma ji atum
right
and the back omu so ye council of state for no
engokora no
omu back omu brutal
one of the most useless institutions for this was say
omu back omu brutal but you see it's for Hana hope no no
okay
mo amu tie yen mo betina sina sa semesi Ghana ni ye for mo the few and the majority since when I would say Nana Binka what's my heading
that's right
MNP before no cry attack no on first person of this statement in by say omo penema yenye forensic audit no that deporting na wa mumpene
no wait for waiting and some year Ivan Che innocent on also watch that Afriyie voter register here who some edija edi support a forensic audit NPP for say lie and na koye and some bebre because GC news so and our no so we can subscribe here umori aso be subscribe to channel and say here latest and hot news and kwa Aremeyaw Bremo Afriyie no like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma for so na when you be here na wo and some so we gonna be more also betting actually what you Afriyie and some way around air comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.